What's up, guys? Welcome back. Luffy, Dawn, Rocket. This was cool. Another awesome animation sequence against Lucci. They're knocking it out of the park, One Piece. It's pretty good. I love Gear 5. Is it just me? Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, we're going to start with those goggles, right? Circles. Goggles and glasses and stuff can be quite tricky to draw. But lucky enough in One Piece, they don't like do perfect circles. They're kind of like bumpy a bit. So, center point here. His head's maybe like not bang center. It's a little bit over to the left. And we're going to start with this curved line in between both of those goggles, right? So we'll go boom. Right. Now, this is like above the circle a little bit, so there's like another one here. And then circles come around from there, so we'll go around. And again, they don't have to be perfect circles because they are quite bumpy in the show as well. Right, and then another one over here. Okay. Then there's this is like an edge rim sort of area, and then there's the glass, like the shiny parts on the inside. Okay. We go around. And then over here. Okay. And then, so we have some circles here. And then there's like clips that go around his ears, and then another layer as well. So another line up here. And then this comes around the top. Like that. And then there's something else around the side here. Like this goes over his ears, this part. And then a little line there. So it's these little bumpy sort of things. Kind of like that. And it comes down underneath his glasses then to there. Okay, so that's basically his goggles, right? So then he's got like curly eyebrows. So we've got this little spiral that's like here. Right, and then the eyebrows kind of chunky, I guess. And it goes up and around, back down into there. Same thing on the other side. Curly eyebrow. Down like so. Then we got like some frown lines. Just around the eyebrow. I think that's all the glasses, yeah. And then his nose sort of spikes out here. Nostril. Big smiley Luffy teeth. So it goes right up like big massive smile, right? So it goes with a big long mouth, right? It looks like it's closed, but we'll open it up. Right? And its teeth just sort of bump around in here. Like so. Now you can see like a bottom lip line. And then that round face of his. So it's just like a wine glass sort of shape, just curves around all these facial features. Very simple face to draw. Face shape, anyway. I know the goggles are complicated. So his ears then come out from the side of the goggles here. Just sort of bumps around. And this side as well. And then like ear lines inside. And his hair. So his hair, he's launched himself off the top rope, kind of like in wrestling. And his hair has been all pushed like backwards, okay? So the wind kind of blowing it back, right? So you've got all these bumping lines along his hairline, like this. And there's a little V in the center. Right, and then it comes out from the side of his ears. So we'll go, yeah, this way. And it kind of like blows backwards. Kind of like an ice cream. Reminds me of an ice cream cone going back here. This just disappears into his ear then. And then there's like some texture on his hair, like a curly spiral. Just there. Just like showing the direction of his hair. Okay. So he's got a big arm coming this way and a spinny arm here. That's the technical term, spinny arm. But so this is like all zigzaggy, sort of blurry, right? And this arm is just straight outstretched going this way. And then there's like bits of that white smoke just coming around the arm. So right, we'll go out from the ear first. We get this sort of shoulder line here. Okay, and then we get another bump. Everything's foreshortened, right? So it gets real big as it comes off the screen. So it goes sort of like down this way. And then another big curved line going this way. And then like the palm of his hand is kind of here. Like his hand is outstretched. Okay, so it's like getting bigger. It's like a tube that gets bigger. It's a bit of perspective now. So his other arm isn't really drawn in too much. So say his chest, right? We'll do that. So it goes, bumps around underneath here. Like so. And then his leg, his other leg is like bent backwards. Like so. And his other shoulder sort of is like pushed back this way. And we can see like the scar in his chest sort of here. Okay, and then that goes that way. Right, we're nearly there. So his other arm, I'll do that last. So we can see his hat and the string connected to the hat just kind of flowing down around his neck, right? So the string just goes around that way. And the top of it there. And then his straw hat, bumpy, going around that way. Top of it just comes around here. And then we have just an edge. And then the inside. Like so. The texture lines on his hat, of course, like this. Do, do, do. Right, and then that Gear 5 smoke, right? So it kind of like starts here. It moves around, but you can put it wherever you want, really. So little spirals on it like this. Disappears then. And if you draw over anything, you color over it or erase the lines. Down there. Okay, now so his other arm is like like a big hairy circle, right? And they do like the arm is going round really fast, like he's spinning it round like a cartoon character. So it's just here beside his hat, right? And it's just like real sharp sort of spikes like this. Right, and then the wheel itself is like crazy big. Right, and this is like the inside of it then. It's just all zigzaggy. And I think like his arm, there's another separate sort of zigzag section here. Like that. And then of course you can have sort of all textures on this as it's spinning. And it's all just super fast kind of lightning stuff. As if it's a wheel that's turning really fast. Gomu. Right. Luffy, Dawn, Rocket. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one. Bye.